assembly setup, and deep cleaning on PC. Thank you, Sir Dan, for trusting PETIT Solutions. The assembly process began with careful preparation and inspection of all hardware components. This included the motherboard, processor, CPU, memory modules, RAM, storage drives, SSD/HDD, graphics processing unit, GPU, power supply unit, PSU, and cooling solutions such as air or liquid coolers. Each part was handled with anti-static precautions to prevent electrostatic discharge, ESD, damage during installation. The motherboard was securely mounted into the PC chassis, and the processor was correctly seated into the CPU socket, followed by the application of thermal paste and the installation of the CPU cooler. RAM sticks were inserted into the appropriate slots to enable dual-channel memory configuration where applicable. Storage devices were installed in designated bays and connected via SATA or NVMe interfaces. The GPU, if provided, was installed in the primary PCIe slot and properly secured. The PSU was mounted in all power connectors, including 24-pin ATX, 8-pin CPU, and PCIe connectors, were routed and connected neatly to maintain efficient cable management and airflow. After hardware installation, the system was powered on for the first post, power on self-test, to confirm successful component recognition and functionality. BIOS settings were reviewed and updated as necessary. Once the system passed all initial tests, the operating system, e.g. Windows or Linux, was installed, followed by essential drivers and utility software to ensure compatibility and full performance of all components. Simultaneously, a deep cleaning process was conducted on the PC chassis and internal parts to remove any accumulated dust, debris, or contaminants, which can impact performance and cooling. The procedure included the use of anti-static brushes, compressed air, and isopropyl alcohol for cleaning fans, vents, heat sinks, dust filters, and surface areas. Special care was taken to clean areas such as CPU heat sinks, GPU shrouds, power supply ventilation, and motherboard ports. All cables were rechecked and retied to enhance airflow and interior aesthetics. The exterior of the case, including USB ports, audio jacks, and peripheral interfaces, was also cleaned and sanitized. This ensures both cleanliness and functionality of all input-output connections. After the assembly and cleaning were completed, the system underwent multiple stress and diagnostic tests to verify system stability, thermal performance, and software configuration. Final inspections confirmed that the machine was fully operational, running within safe temperature thresholds and visually presentable both inside and out. PC assembly setup and deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.